Hey guys, and welcome to another Doctor Who review. In this video, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to look at the sonic screwdriver used by Jon Pertwee in Doctor Who. So this is just a toy. This isn't actually a prop. This is just a toy. I got this from a friend a couple of years back in 2015, so, yeah, I thought I'd review it, if not for you guys, for him, because he's a good friend of mine. Anyhow, so, let's, get into, the review, shall we? So, this is the sonic screwdriver used by Jon Pertwee, from, I believe, I'd say about season 8 to season 10, because, in season 10, and his sonic screwdriver, was made into, I think the 4th Doctor's sonic screwdriver. I mean, you'd see it in the Monster of Peladon and Planet of the Spiders. So, yeah. I think it's a pretty good toy. I mean, it's a fairly accurate representation of the 3rd Doctor's sonic screwdriver. I guess its most prolific use would be in Carnival of Monsters, when he uses it to blow up the Drashigs. Or, in the Sea Devils when he goes for a minefield. So, at the top, you can see, the sort of bullet shape, emitter thing, surrounded by the, I guess, what colour would you call it? I think it's burgundy. I don't know. It's a reddish brown. So, yeah. Yeah, it's nice little circle in there. The screws. And, if we move down, you get the red strip. The yellow O section with the black stripes wrapped around it. So you can see it begins here and then goes all the way up here. Yeah. Moving down, we got some more details with the with the strip going all the way around, and the black rings, and nice. And I like this part. It kind of reminds me of Luke Skywalker's first lightsaber in Star Wars. I really like that lightsaber. And we got the whole white black thing going on there. You can see the battery pack on this, and at the bottom we have the speaker and a bunch of legal guff. But, I mean, it's a toy. I mean, sure, people might want to display this, but I don't know. I'm not really overly fussed about it. I'm just I guess I'm just, I don't know. I guess I'm just a laid back dude. Is all. So turning to sound effects. Okay, so the sounds are activated when you pull down the sonic screwdriver like this, and you get 2 sounds. You get this sound, and this is like that sound is what you would probably hear on most classic Doctor Who. Actually, in most classic Doctor Who episodes. This comes. Okay, this screwdriver has the same sound chip as the 11th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver from 2010. So, but anyhow, we also hear the other sound effect. If you have the Sonic Screwdriver from 2010, the 11th Doctor's one, you know that that would have this, but these same sound effects. If you pull it down, I believe twice, you get this sound. Oh, wait. 3 times, you get this sound. And if you pull it down 4 or more times, you get this. And you get that on the 11th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver as well. I honestly think these sound effects are appropriate for, Sonic Screwdrivers from the classic era. I mean, they would be better on other screwdrivers than this one. For example, this sound. That would be more appropriate for the 8th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver, because we actually hear a similar sound like that in the TV movie. But other sounds like this... Oh, no, this one. That would be more or esque to this sort of screwdriver, or the 4th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. But, yeah, overall, I like this toy. I think it's a fairly accurate representation of the 3rd Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver. You can find this and other screwdrivers, and the other screwdrivers, like the 4th Doctor's, the 5th Doctor's, the 8th Doctor's, the 10th Doctor's, the 11th/12th Doctor's, and the 12th Doctor's other screwdriver. Mass retailers like Toys R Us or whatever. So yeah. So that's it for this review. So thank you for watching. And yeah, I think pick this up if you like the 3rd Doctor, or if you like role playing stuff or cosplay. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.